In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Rode PodMic to camera. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to set up and use your Rode PodMic alongside a camera, it is going to depend on which version or model of this microphone you have. If you are using the XLR only model, so if you look at the back and you don't see a USB port, only an XLR one, then you will need an XLR cable and an audio interface. You will establish a connection between the interface and the microphone, so you plug one end of the XLR cable into the back of the pod mic and the other one into the interface itself. And once you have them connected using the cable, the interface is going to be the bridge between it and your camera. So now you can finish establishing this connection by plugging a 3.5mm jack cable into your camera, and the other end of the 3.5mm cable goes into the interface. So essentially you connect the pod mic to the interface with an XLR cable, and then from the interface to the camera. Now, if you have the most modern version that features a USB port, you can try using that instead. It isn't guaranteed to work, however, if it does, you can eliminate the need for the audio interface altogether. So if it has USB, you can connect the microphone directly to the camera with the proper cable. But if it doesn't work, it isn't being picked up, then it means that you will need to use an audio interface. Any audio interface will do, as long as you are able to plug the pod mic into the interface and then from the interface into the camera, primarily using a 3.5mm cable like this. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.